Today on the bench we have my Kenwood TS 850 SAT. I'm the original owner of this since 1993. It's been a great radio. I've had some capacitor issues with it in the past with the display and the ALC getting all crazy. The latest thing that popped up was no audio. I had transmit and receive capability, but I had no audio to the internal speaker or to the external speaker jack. So I'm going to assume that it is in the audio board section. That's on the bottom of this radio, towards the rear where the external speaker jack is. So let's take a look and see if we can get this old girl running again. 2.7 times magnification. Look at that. So I already see some spuzz on that. So that being an electrolytic. And we are back here on the back panel, because I don't know what that board is, but you see the external speaker jack? It's right around that same circuitry. Right in this area right here. Okay, so I yarded out. Let's see, where'd those suckers go? There they are. These are two Elan 470 microfarad at 10 volt caps. This, what I'm hoping was the main culprit. It's pretty bad. It's shorted. I've checked it out. It's shorted. They're rated at 470, both of them. This one came in the 430s. So as all I can test is for capacitance with this. I can't really go much beyond that. But the brown one was dead shorted. So I got some ching-chang, some cheapy capacitors, because that's really all I have. I don't have any good Nichicons or Elans or anything like that, or Panasonic. So I'm just going to use these. I've checked them out. 476 and 468 or something. So yeah, whatever. They're gonna be fine. I'll guarantee you, they're better than those. So I've got the board cleared up and cleaned up. So these are double-sided, where I've got to get solder onto this top side as well, as you guys know. And then here's the one that was just kind of off in the reading, but it was a good cap. But I figure while I'm here, let's just get them done, pull them out. Plus I had to inspect anyway. I took my continuity tester, went from that, what was that, L something, L1 or something, L11, I don't remember. Anyway, from that leg of that coil over to here, I have continuity. I gave it a visual inspection by kind of scraping it off a little bit, very carefully. That works. These have gone through, they go through on both sides, which is good, so they're not damaged. This looks shag nasty, but it's not. I checked here to the center point, I have continuity. From the center point to here, I have continuity. From here to here, I have continuity. So we're good to go, I believe. So let's get these capacitors installed. so I've got it hooked up to power. Just using my little power supply. See if we can let the smoke out. Here we go, boys. The receive is fantastic. That's what 850s are known for, is that ruthless receiver. Still got front features that don't work. That doesn't work. FM just goes to USB and FSK, so that doesn't work. This is still goofy. Okay, it's not now. When I would turn my processor, you know, this is the mic processor, it would feed through the speaker and go. So that's cleared up. So I'm thinking that there's still some capacitor issue in the front here. Next video you see on this will be, hopefully I'll have all the bugs worked out. So it'll be a completely operational rig, back together, and most importantly, back together and cleaned up. This is a shag nasty radio, my friends. Shag nasty. Thanks for watching, guys.